Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 200 amp 0 to 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 110 volt single phase. Very nice conditioned unit, in very good condition. Overall dimensions 21 inches long by 32 inches wide by 17 inches high. Does have the digital meters there. To turn it on, you hit this button here. Wait a couple seconds till this red light clicks on. Switch it into auto mode, and away we go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.